Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things or where you find linky stuff. Speaking of the linky stuff, Patreon! Thank you! Patreon. Rope. Ball. And this is a Grace-heavy episode. It's all for her, man. Vice. Half-inch spade bit. Starting with 6 yards. Don't need all that. So we do 2. Okay. 2, 4, 6. Ta-da! Twine and a pencil. Shooby-dooby-doo. Get your ass in there. That's not gonna... Alright. Good, but I'm not that good. Shit. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Shoo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Come on. Work with me. Oh. Ta-da! And not the other end. This is going to take a while. Stringing it through, literally. Twining it through, and then put it better terms. I don't want to split it too much. Yeah. Time lapse. Okay, less effort than I thought. Do 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 do. Just cut that. Where's my that cutter? Come on. Come on. Dang it. Dang it. Bleed something. Fuck. Gimme. Anything. Fuck it. Fuck off of there. Yay. Tie a knot. Probably shouldn't have gone with 3/8 cord. Oh well. Needed something. Something large enough for her. I'll get back to you on that one. Dipped them in my coffee so they don't fray so dang much. There we go. That I can work with. It's got a little flavor to it. She'll dig that. Okay, that'll do. That's not enough. Ha! Here's the trick. Ooh. I need to put a knot in each here. walk it down. Walk it further down than that. There we go. Nice. Hey, hell of a lot easier than I thought it'd be. All right. Doody-doo. Doody-doody-doo. Awesome. Cool. Braid it. Back to the same problem. How do you end a braid without using a fucking hair tie? That's funny. Round through, oops. Round through you. Round through you. And there you go. Ball. Rope. Rope ball. You know what it is. You know what that is. You know what it is. Been so long since you can play. Fuck. There you go. Play with yourself. Rope ball. She's old. She can't play like she used to, so I had to smallerize her toy. Huh? Fuck it up. Kick it back to her.
I will if I can get my foot down there.
Put it back in play. There you go. Good girl. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, baby. This has been Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find that linky stuff. Like I said, thank you, Patreon. You just bought my dog a toy. Every penny goes right back in it. Thank you. Bye.